A great honor for me to join you today in the beautiful KARA region. First, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the government of the Republic of Togo, Unicef, WFP, local authorities, and all stakeholders for their continued partnership and commitment. Together, we share a common dedication to improving the lives of children and communities in northern Togo. With funding support of $13 million from the government of Republic of Korea, this project is being implemented from 2025 to 2030 in partnership with UNICEF and WFP in close collaboration with the government of Togo. Today's celebration of the African Child Day is therefore very timely. It calls on all of us to continue investing in the future of African children. Every borehole constructed, every classroom supported, and every child protected contribute to building the future of your communities. The Republic of Korea highly values its long-standing friendship and cooperation with the Republic of Togo. We remain committed to supporting inclusive and sustainable development. Our focus is on initiatives that directly improve the well-being of communities, particularly children and vulnerable populations. In this regard, I would like to commend the leadership of the government of Togo, UNICEF and WFP for their strong ownership and dedication to these initiatives. On behalf of the Korea, I would like to reaffirm our commitment to continue working closely with all partners to ensure the successful implementation of this project. Thank you. Merci.